Niagara-on-the-Lake is the prettiest town in Ontario, Canada. It is located on the Niagara Peninsula at the point where the Niagara River meets Lake Ontario, across the river from New York, United States. Known for its picturesque streets lined with historic buildings, boutique shops, and gourmet restaurants. It exudes the old charm. Memorial Clock Tower Cenotaph, built over 100 years ago to honor the town's residents who fought in World War I. Niagara District Courthouse, better known as the Courthouse Theatre, is a former courthouse and venue for the Shaw Festival until 1973. Prince of Wales Hotel. Named after royal guests, the Prince and Princess of Wales stayed. Queen Elizabeth II also stayed at the hotel during her visit to the area in 1973. Royal George Theatre was built in 1915 for entertainment of the troops who were training in the town. Now it is a Shaw Festival Theatre. Old Time Candy Shop, the sweetest place in town. Shaw Cafe and Wine Bar, a European-style cafe and the popular place to be for the finest selection of Niagara wine, bistro cuisine and, most of all, for wonderful people watching. Upper Canada Native Art Gallery specializes in Inuit and Haudenosaunee Iroquois art. ArtSpace 106 Gallery features a wide variety of works including contemporary and traditional paintings and sculptures. Beauchapeau Hat Shop, with hats for everyone, wide selections ranging from 1800s to modern days. In Niagara-on-the-Lake, history comes alive amidst the majestic Fort George, standing tall as a symbol of Canada's military heritage. The fort was used by the British Army, the Canadian Militia, and the United States Armed Forces for a brief period. The fort was mostly destroyed during the War of 1812. The site of the fort has been a National Historic Site of Canada since 1921 and features a reconstruction of Fort George. Thank you for watching.